Hey guys, Doc. I'm just going to do a real quick video on sharpening a chainsaw. I think too many people make this too complicated and there's too many devices out there. I'm just going to show you the basic structure of a chainsaw so that you understand how to do this with a simple file. So let me just go ahead. I'm on my phone right now. Let me just show you up close a brand new Husqvarna chain that I just took out of a package because I had it on the shelf, and I want to show you it looks like brand new so you understand it. So this is a brand new Husqvarna X-Cut chain, but chains are pretty much the same. So these are the drive links. These actually fit into the gears of your chainsaw, and then these are the cutting links. But here's what I want you to understand. Each one of these cutting links has a little guard prop in front of it. Now I call that a knuckle, and what that does is that keeps that piece from digging in too deep. So it's just a tiny bit, this little knuckle is a tiny bit below this cutting blade. Now if you look at the cutting blade, you'll notice that it has a curved edge on the side, and then on the top it has a cutting flat edge on the top, and that's what actually cuts the wood. So what we want is we want basically a round file that'll go in here and cut both of these or sharpen both sides of this at the same time. The 5-minute chainsaw sharpener. People make this too complicated. This is the only thing that you'll need, which is a simple little file set. It has 3 different diameter files in it. It also has a flat file, and then it has a handle. So I know for a fact that this is the file that I need. So when you look at a chainsaw, I'm going to go up close on this. You'll notice that it has a sort of rounded edge, has a sort of rounded side, and then it has a top cutter. So it has a top cutter, and then it has a rounded, just like this. And so you want a file that will actually do both at the same time. Now the important part is when you're doing this, you're gonna file the one that's facing you, just like that, and it's going to really sharpen up both those edges. You don't want to go, if I try and go this way, it actually, the file will lock up. So you only do the ones that are facing you, just like that, and then go to the next one. And I just keep going until I see nice and sharp and shiny. Just keep going until you hit another shiny one that you've already done. But that's all you do. You just do that, and then you just turn it around. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do the ones that are actually facing you. So now you can go to the next one. And I got both of these. The upper cutter and the round cutter are nice and sharp. And that's it. You just do the whole thing and you're done. People make it too complicated. It will take you about 5 minutes to do this whole thing, and you're ready to cut. Keep this in your truck, keep it with your chainsaw, and you'll never have a dull blade. Okay, so here's a dull one that's dull looking. And then you come back and you can see how shiny that one is, and it's extremely sharp right here. This one is not. And this is that little, I call it a knuckle, because it keeps that, this keeps a certain level where it can only cut so much. That does not cut, that just rides along the wood and keeps this from going too deep. Hey guys, hope that helped. It's a simple way to fix your chainsaw in the field. Hit subscribe and I'll talk to you later. Doc.